Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike here, coming to you from the confines of the S600, which I've been working on, by the way. Have a couple of videos coming out on that. But I thought I'd let you know, today is Saturday, and you know what Sunday is, other than the Lord's Day. Yep, it's the day we're going to go live. Yep, it is time for another live. I'm going to be answering all kinds of questions, and I thought it would be fun to kind of figure out where everybody is from. Thank you for the interruption. Thank you. Well, you just ate, didn't you? Yeah, okay. Anyway, we're going to find out where everybody's from. I'm going to get a globe or a map or something, and we're going to have ourselves a little bit of a roll call. Yep, we're going to pin or sticker the countries or the states or the cities where everybody has been watching from. How fun could that be? Maybe not. Maybe it will be fun. I don't know. We're going to answer questions. We're going to see how many countries are represented here on this little YouTube channel as the dog chases its tail. Yeah, he's chasing his tail. All right. So with that, we're going to say goodbye. We'll see you Sunday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right? 3 p.m. CST. And for everybody in the UK, I know it's going to be late, but if I move it to 4, that's going to be even later. And then at 2, if I move it to 2, it's going to be even earlier for folks on the other side of the world. So we're just going to do 3 o'clock on Sunday, and I will see you there, okay? Bye-bye.